Welcome to Rona's Corner, and today we're going to season this cast iron pan and transform it from this to this. Cast iron cookware is probably one of the only things that get better with age. Unlike, say, milk or adults' tolerance to alcohol-induced hangovers. We're going to season it the Lodge official route, which is oil on the pan in the oven. Since we'll be using oil in the oven, we should put some aluminum foil down for easy cleanup. If you have a convection oven, try and wrap the foil around the grates so it doesn't blow away. Here's the oil list that Lodge provides in their site, with the pan symbol, which means it's safe for seasoning. I'll be using canola oil as it's flavor neutral, and I had it handy. Based on this chart, it will also tell you the smoke point. The smoke point is what you'll set the oven temperature to. I'm setting the oven prior to cleaning, as it will probably be up to temp by the time I've removed the old seasoning and applied the new one. We're going to have to clean off all this rust. As you can see, it's getting on my hands, which means it's not going to be non-stick, and it's going to taste like metal. So unless you want a whole lot of iron in your diet, probably recommend seasoning. Once the pan is properly seasoned, it's going to act a little bit more like a non-stick pan, but we'll need to clean standard dish soap, an abrasive sponge, and warm to hot water. After cleaning, we need to make sure that the pan is dry before applying the oil. I'm using about 1 capful of the canola oil and a paper towel to cover the entire surface of the pan in an even coat. Yes, this includes the back and the handle. The oven should be ready by now, and we'll put it in the center rack, face down. This will take about an hour. What to do for an hour?
1 hour later.
After an hour, pull the pan from the oven and let it cool down. Afterwards, the pan should not feel sticky. If it feels sticky, you've used a little bit too much oil and may need to bake it a little longer. Now it's ready to provide the perfect sear to your steaks. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified when I post a new video.